Ano nga ba ang number line? Yan ay ipapakita natin sa susunod nating mga slides. This is the number line. At the middle is 0. The numbers on the right of 0 are called positive integers. At ang nasa kaliwa naman ng 0 ay tinatawag nating negative integers. Mula sa 0 at pakanan, ito ay lumalaki ang kanyang value. At pakaliwa naman, ito ay lumiliit ang value. Ang pag-uusapan lang natin ay ang mga positive integers mula 0 hanggang 100. Tingnan natin kung totoo talagang ang nasa kaliwang bilang ay mas maliit kaysa nasa kanan. Let's take for example 15 and then 20. That's correct. 15 is less than 20. Let's take another example. 28 and 32. Tama! 28 is less than 32. Okay, let's have a short quiz. Item number 1. Which number is greater? The greater number is 42. Kindly repeat. Item number 2. Which number is greater? The greater number is 56. Kindly repeat. Item number 3. Which number is lesser? Number 60 is less than 64. Kindly repeat. Item number 4. Which number is lesser? $66 is less than 75. Kindly repeat. Item number 5. Which number is lesser? $79 is less than 83. Kindly repeat. Item number 6. Which number is greater? $55 is greater than 50. Kindly repeat. Item number 7. Which number is greater? "63 is greater than 57. Kindly repeat. Item number 8. Which number is lesser? "70 is less than 78. Kindly repeat. Item number 9. Which number is greater? "54 is greater than 58. Kindly repeat. Item number 10. Which number is greater? "95 is greater than 90. Our topic for today is about odd and even. Gumawa ako ng chart na may 10 column at binigyan ko ng pangalan ng bawat isa bilang odd, even, odd, even, odd, even, odd, even, odd, even. Ngayon, naglagay na ako ng mga numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ang odd number ay nagtatapos sa 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Ang even naman ay nagtatapos sa 2, 4, 6, 8, and 0. Di ba ang daling tukuyin kung isang bilang ay even o odd? By the way, ang 0 ay considered as even. Number 1. Is the number odd or even? "24 is an even number." Kindly repeat. Item number 2. Is the number odd or even? Number 16 is an even number. Kindly repeat. Item number 3. Is the number odd or even? Number 11 is an odd. Kindly repeat. Item number 4. Is the number odd or even? Number 7 is an odd number. Kindly repeat. Item number 5. Is the number odd or even? Number 28 is an even number. Kindly repeat. Item number 6. Is the number odd or even? Number 14 is an even number. Kindly repeat. Item number 7. Is the number odd or even? Number 22 is an even number. Kindly repeat. Item number 8. Is the number odd or even? Number 26 is an even number. Kindly repeat. Item number 9. Is the number odd or even? Number 36 is an even number. Kindly repeat. Item number 10. Is the number odd or even? Number 33 is an odd number. Kindly repeat. Congratulations kids! Ngayong natuto na kayo sa pag-determine ng odd or even, yayain nyo ang inyong mga kasamahan o mga kapwa-bata upang matuto sa math. This program is brought to you by I Volunteer for Filipino Children.